Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Jack in Indiana on this RCI 69 base. Jack, we brought it back to life, bud. It took a little bit of work to do, a lot of changing. Don't know how many times somebody's been in it, but we had to rework some traces, especially around the final section. Got the finals replaced, solder traces repaired. Had to change out the voltage regulator, so we upgraded your voltage regulator as well, and the 1869 companion component in front of it. Let's see, there was a fan mounted inside there, but it wasn't blowing on the heat sink, so I did remount that and rewired it so it'll filter out the fan motor noise as well. So that's going to make it run cooler. Had to put a new power supply in it. We can send that one back to you if you want it tinker with or whatever. Put your ultra bright white LEDs in there while we had the power supply out, and did our tuning alignment, and I think that is just about it. Start with the RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. There's 2 watts all the way down, so if you decide to run amp, you got full adjustability. 12 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low, about 36 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. 80 watts PEP. Let's roll it all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. Actually got up about 88 watts right there. All right, Jack, it's ready to come back to you, bud. I appreciate your patience. We run backlogs pretty good on repairs. We try to work them in between new radio builds and such off of the website. Again, thank you, Jack. We're going to get this up to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.